Hello, Namaste. This is Saudamini studying in 7th standard. I am 12 years old. Today we are going to discuss about in technique 2 in typical individual letters about letter M. About letter M. How to write letter M in typical individual letters. But going to today's topic, I would like to discuss about last class topic. How to write letter L. How to write letter L in last class topic we discussed. How to write letter L. Letter L, by writing letter L very carefully and very systematically, we can avoid pimples on the face on our hands by mainly this can be useful mainly for the teenagers, because teenagers at the age of the teenage there must be somewhat pimples, and they will apply so many creams, but when it was not reduced, when it was not decreased, you can write the letter L in very perfect and sincerely. You can avoid pimples on the face, and you should keep more concentration by writing L. All will think that L is a very easiest letter and very time saving letter, but you should write very carefully because you will decrease your pimples. Okay. Now how to write letter L? Letter L in non-cursive always we should write from upwards to downwards, and letter L in cursive you should write capitals in upwards to downwards and small letter in downwards to upwards. So follow these steps and write L carefully. So for more exclusive and informative about letter L, please watch my previous class. So coming to today's class topic in technique 2, letter M. How to write the letter M and how to join letter M. Okay, and what are the uses? Okay, in cursive handwriting, how to write letter M? From starting, as usual, naturally give a small tail on the baseline, and from here onwards give a cross slant line till the middle part upper line, and from there again you from middle part upper line to till the baseline you draw a simple straight line, and from baseline where the simple straight line ends, from there from the baseline again from upwards to you draw an N-like structure, an arch-like structure, and from again where the arch-like structure ends on the baseline, from there joining it again from downwards to upwards to downwards, you draw another arch and curved shape structure, and at last the ending point we should give a small tail-like structure, and this is M in small cursive letter. And if you want to write cursive letter M more artistically, I will say in another method. Please follow. If you want to do it more interestingly and more impressive, you can write in this method also. From here, starting point must be on the middle part upper line to you draw a reversed J structure, a half arched structure, and from there you draw one arched structure, and from there another arched structure, and from there a small tail. And this is more artistic because this must be bended towards the forward slant. This is in forward slant, but this is in straight slant, or only this only you can write in forward slant also, same like this you can write in forward slant also, or like this in the straight slant. Okay. Now coming to cursive letter capital M. How to write cursive letter capital M? From here onward, first you should give a tail. From there a small cross slant line, and from there you should draw a forward slant structure from upwards to downwards, and from where you ended the cross slant, from there you should draw a V-shaped structure, and from there again from where you ended the V-shaped structure, from there you should draw a forward slant straight line till the baseline, from upwards to baseline, and give a small tail. And this is cursive letter capital M. And coming to non-cursive small letter m. How to write small letter m? First, draw a straight line from in the middle part, from upper line to base line, from upwards to downwards, draw a straight line, and from baseline to you keep an arch like this. From baseline to upwards you keep a arch. Again from baseline to upwards you keep two arches or two N-shaped structures, and this is non-cursive M. And how to write non-cursive capital letter M? From baseline to upper zone line you draw a straight line, and from here you should keep a V-shaped structure. You keep a V shape like this, and where the V-shaped structure ends, from there keep a straight line from upper zone to baseline. And this is writing letter M. Some people write letter M like this. First, like H letter, they will keep first two lines, and then middle they will keep two lines, and middle two lines they will draw, and like H, and middle they will keep a V-shaped structure. And this is the wrong method. By writing like this, they will be sensitive. By writing like this, they will be more sensitive. Their mindset will be insensitive, like they will get bad dreams, and they will get fearful, dreadful dreams, like that. They will get mostly insensitiveness mostly. The sensitive reaction will falling on the dreams and on the sleep. Some members will get bad dreams and evil dreams. So to avoid it, write M in correct form and from downwards to upwards, and starting and ending, tail, and all like this. You should follow this carefully. Okay. In this class we discussed about letter M, and in next class, in technique 2 typical individual letters, we are going to discuss about letter N. How to write letter N, and what are the uses of letter N, and what can we avoid by writing letter N. To see my further classes and lessons, please subscribe us and follow us. Thank you.